Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers watching on onespotmedia.com. In the latest twist to the controversy, to the continuously unfolding scandal that has engulfed the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, the names of two former ministers who have been at the center of the controversy have been removed from the institution's wall of fame. This signifies the institution's compliance with an order from the University Council of Jamaica, UCJ, to remove the names of the two former ministers from the wall following concerns from some parents of students. In a release today, the UCJ said all tiles inscribed with the names of persons who had contributed to the establishment of the FESTA Authorized and Certified Training Fact Center at the CMU, including those with former Education Minister Ruel Reid and former Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley, are to be removed until further notice. The UCJ's instructions for the removal of the wall tiles comes after the Gleaner published a story on Friday highlighting the concerns of some parents. The parents were particularly concerned that the wall displayed the names of the former Cabinet Minister Ruel Reid and Andrew Wheatley.